How to recover view one's photos or videos on WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you on how to recover the view one's photos or videos on WhatsApp. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the solutions. For that, the first thing you need to do is, before viewing the view one's media or voice messages, in order to restore it, what you need to do is, before opening this one, you need to back up your chats, because if the photo, voice, or message or video was opened, it won't be included in the backup and can't be restored. So just go ahead and back it up. Head over to the settings and go to chats. After going there, scroll and go to chat backup and back up your chats. And once that is done, you should be able to find it on your backup. But otherwise, WhatsApp does not really let us recover the view one's photos or videos on WhatsApp if they have already been opened. This is because the media is immediately deleted from both the sender's and recipient's chat history after it has been viewed. So, the view once feature on WhatsApp allows users to send photos and videos that can be only viewed once. Due to the privacy and policy of the WhatsApp, we can't really do anything about it. So therefore, I hope this video was useful and helpful to you. If it was, give it a thumbs and share, like, and thank you for watching this video.